You're watching How Leap. Let's delete your ChatGPT account. Go to chat.openai.com in a web browser and log into your account. Click on your profile name or icon in the bottom left corner of the screen to open the menu. Select Settings from this menu. In the Settings window, click on the Data Controls tab located on the left sidebar. Look for the section titled Delete Account or Account Deletion. Click the button that says Delete Account or Permanently Delete Account. You will be asked to confirm your choice and may need to enter your password again for security. A final warning message will appear. Read it carefully and click Confirm or Yes. Delete my account to proceed. Your ChatGPT account and all associated data will now be scheduled for permanent deletion. This process is irreversible and you will lose all your chat history and personal data. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.